Here we are. We've just completed a collaboration between my students here, my web design students, and the web design students from Copenhagen. And I've seen a lot of great ideas coming out here. A lot of people really getting creative and working out some problems that they were having and finding solutions. So I'd just like to go and get a statement from each group and see what your impressions were. So we'll start with this first group over here. So this is the first group. Any thoughts?
Yeah, we have done a really nice and good job with Lev and Sabina. And Sabina was the leader actually. She was working very hard.
A project manager.
Project manager. She's making good decisions and.
Yeah, actually, we have done a really good job.
Great. Glad to hear it. Thank you. All right, we got this second group here. Any?
I'm Saad. We worked together on and we designed a web page of a tourism website, and Frederick helped us quite a lot, and I appreciate that. And hope so we'll join them together and we'll work together in the future. Should go over there. So thanks a lot for them, guys.
Yeah, it's great.
I must say that it was a lot easier to work in person than working over the internet. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so the face-to-face contact, all of this technology, it's great for connecting and stuff like that, but there's really no substitute for the face-to-face contact, the human experience. So I'm glad you guys were able to come out here. It's really great. Thanks a lot. We got this group over here. The third group, any impressions?
Well, I think we did a lot compared to the time we had, so I think we did well, and we are all pretty new to Photoshop, so we learned a bit.
Okay, so yeah, you had some time constraints here, but you worked with it and discovered new things, hopefully, and
Yeah, we had a good time.
yeah, I had a good time. That's great. Having a good time and working together and making something happen. So, great. Thank you very much. All right, and then we got these guys over here.
Yeah, I think it was very nice. Mainly because it's also a lot different working just face to face instead of over the internet. I haven't worked PJ with Patrick, but it's just a lot easier just working with.
So working with new people.
Yeah, and I think it was really good because we set up a lot of things to do, and we had a lot of ideas, and we just set them up and made just a basic layout, and then with more time we could just make it better and better. So
Yeah, so having people to work with, having people with ideas and working with them, you can really it really accelerates the process than doing things by yourself. A lot of times on these courses, we're all doing our own things by ourselves.
Yeah.
But then when you get into a job, you're going to be working in teams, and that's whenever you can see that the skills that you develop by yourself slowly will be used in a very, very high-paced environment. So. Yes, Daniel, he had to leave, but yes, Daniel, we miss you, and yeah, you did actually. Daniel did a lot of good work too to help to develop your work. So, thanks to Daniel. All right, and we got these guys over here. Hi.
Hey, so I think it was a great experience also to try something new, to go all the way to London and see all these nice students. It's a bit hard to work on a UK keyboard because yeah, that's a bit hard, but yeah, it was okay, and also yeah, it's a very good experience to see all the new people and all that, and then set face on them because we have chatted with them over the internet all the time. So yeah.
Yeah, the face-to-face experience, there's no substitute for it. And you had some, yes, the keyboards are different, maybe the language, you guys are challenged with communicating and getting your ideas out in English, but it seems like you guys were doing quite all right here. So thank you for all of your efforts. Very good. All right, we got these guys back here in this corner here. Hi. How'd it go? Any impressions?
I think it went well. Yeah.
Shared a lot of things. It was cool.
Yeah, I saw a good layout.
Sorry?
I saw a good layout that you guys were creating. A lot of ideas coming out. Great.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you. And we got these guys here.
Yeah, I think it went pretty well. We had small problems with the communication between us because of the English, but it worked fine. Great experience. No substitute for the face-to-face. The
Yes.
internet's bad.
Well, it's not bad, but
Not,
but really, but getting, breaking the ice, talking to people
Yeah.
over the Google Hangouts, really helped to just come into this environment and just start working with people, and and having that kind of meeting point really helped to make this kind of experience maybe a little bit easier to happen.
Yeah.
Great, thanks a lot, guys. And we have our last group over here. Any impressions?
I think it worked.
Yeah, it was good. We both kind of used each other's strengths. So the web design and I used Photoshop, and we all kind of used each other's skills to achieve what we had to at the end.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw you guys working side by side, getting things done. Great. And you guys will have a couple more sessions where you will be working together, I guess, on Fridays here, and perhaps developing these ideas that you came up with here today and turning them into something a little bit more substantial. Testing your web design skills out, you guys from Copenhagen, and perhaps showing a few of my guys a thing or two about how to take this forward. And then I think the learning isn't done here. The skills that you're developing here, the communication, the technical skills, it's all going to make life outside of these courses easier and help you to adapt to the world around you. So thanks for all of your effort. Great job, guys. I'm glad to be a part of it. I'm glad to have you guys here. And yeah, that's it. And we got Jorn over here, their teacher, the guy that helps these guys help to make all of this possible over here. And yeah, thank you, Jorn.
Thank you.
And that's it. We're done. All right, let's go get some lunch.
Yeah.